With the piriformis, you're oftentimes going to find a trigger point in towards the sacrum and one in the middle of the muscle belly. To find this muscle, draw a line between the sacrum and the greater trochanter. And to access the piriformis, you're actually going to have to drop in deep down into the muscle past the glute max to access the very specific trigger points that could relate to appendicitis-like pain, buttock pain, impotence, painful intercourse, and sciatica. Here I'm using a zigzag patterning with my fingertips to find the very specific adhesions and to also break them up. If you've identified a specific trigger point, you can hold in that area, follow the protocol. And a good way to go about treating this muscle is to bring the muscle and the tissue down and back, because if someone has an anteriorly rotated hip, that's going to help to bring that tissue down off of that heightened position when the hip is in an anterior rotation.